In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort emails in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the sorting controls and how to quickly rearrange your messages so the right emails rise to the top when you need them. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. On the top right of the homepage, click the sign in button and enter your login details. Keep your information secure and only type it into the official Yahoo sign in page. If you're prompted for verification, just follow the on-screen steps. Once you're signed in, look at the top right of the page for the mail icon and click it to open Yahoo Mail. When mail loads, head to your inbox. Most of the time you'll land there automatically, but if not, you can select inbox from the left sidebar. This is the main list where all your incoming messages appear. Now focus on the top right area above your message list. You should see a control labeled sort, often with a small downward arrow beside it. This is the menu that controls the order of the emails you see. Click sort to open the options. You'll be able to sort your emails either from newest to oldest or from oldest to newest. Choosing newest to oldest places your most recent emails at the very top, which is helpful if you want today's messages front and center. Picking oldest to newest flips that order, so earlier emails appear first. That view can be useful when you're working through a backlog from the bottom up or reviewing conversations in chronological order. As soon as you make your selection, your inbox will refresh to reflect the new order. Nothing is moved, archived, or deleted. You're simply changing how the list is displayed. If you want to switch back at any time, click sort again and choose the other option. It's a quick toggle, so feel free to change it based on what you're doing in the moment. If you don't see the sort control, make sure you're actually in the inbox and not viewing search results or a different folder. Also, try widening your browser window or zooming out slightly, since smaller screens can hide some controls. And remember, the exact layout can look a bit different on mobile devices, so the sort option may appear in a different menu there. That's it. You've learned how to open Yahoo Mail. Go to your inbox, find the sort menu, and choose between newest to oldest or oldest to newest. With this simple tweak, you can keep your inbox organized and make it easier to focus on the messages that matter most.